Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm David and today I will unboxing and review the JBL Flip 5. When I've been in the market and looking for a great Bluetooth speakers, I'm looking for one that can do everything for me. A speaker that I can connect to computer and use it as a computer speakers and connect to my smartphone and take the music with me to anywhere, to the shower, outdoor and not worry if it's sunny or raining. So I make my research and all the reason led me to JBL Flip 5. I'm open the Amazon store and check the review and the reviews was amazing. So many high rating review. So I calm down and buy the one for me and here it is. So enough into talking and let's start the unboxing. Okay, in the box I have more two boxes. I put that on the side. One is the speaker itself. Stop. Okay. Okay. The other one, okay. It's all the papers. Okay. Look at the collection of the colors. It's nice. And of course the charging cable. This one we don't need. This is a USB Type-C cable, so it charges much faster. So, after 3 weeks that I use the JBL Flip 5 all the time, from early morning with my quiet time to outdoor, even with my shower. So guys, let's talk about the good stuff. First of all, the Flip 5 is charged by USB Type-C. It means it's much faster. It's only 2.5 hours from empty to full charge. And the battery life is 12 hours of use. This is really impressive. Also, the Flip 5 is IPX7 waterproof. It means you can use it in the shower or next to the pool and don't worry from water. Another feature that I really like is the JBL Party Boot. It means if you have more than one Flip 5 or your friends have, you can connect them together and together the music is like crazy. This feature makes the parties on. But more important than everything, it doesn't matter which kind of music you like. The sound in the Flip 5 is amazing. So after we talk about the good stuff, I have to say that I find some small disadvantage. First of all, there is no more headphone jack. It was very nice if JBL keep the headphone jack on the Flip 5. It make my life much easier to switch between speakers to headphones. Secondly, is the lights on the buttons. I don't know why, but have only light on the power and the Bluetooth. There is no light on the other buttons. But this is the only small disadvantage that I can find. Okay guys, after we talking about all the features and all the pros and cons, let's make sound test. But guys, remember this sound test recorded by my microphone, so it's never been the same experience like listening direct from the speakers. Let's start.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
overall, I have to say I love the JBL Flip 5 so much. It's so enjoyable. I'm highly recommended. I will put link to Amazon the cheapest price that I can find. Guys, if you like this video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more reviews like this one, please subscribe to our channel. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.